Here he is. What's happened? Hey, what's happened, old chap?
I think we got a bit of a technical problem.
Oh dear, hit it with a hammer.
I will.
Okay. So it just spins round, does it?
Yes, I think we got a spinning problem.
Ah, the old spinning problem. It's a bit dodgy. Okay, off you go. Off you go. Pedal hard. Now this is...
Follow me, follow, down to the hollow, and there you can wallow in glorious mud, 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 do.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is the way to clean your bike after you must always clean it really thoroughly. You get an old stick
Thank you, Hank.
and you poke it into all the recesses of the stream.
Carefully pick your bicycle up and just throw it in the stream.
That's the way you do it. And this is...
Make sure you've got your waterproof boots on, though.
There we are. All spick and span and ready for another 30 miles of mud.
It's as simple as that, ladies and gentlemen.
That's all, yeah. And there's an abandoned bike.
Yes.
And there's another bike going for a swim. And there's the bike maintenance man again. He's done very well with his stick.
It's a bit deeper there.